Let's say NASA calls a press conference tomorrow and says, "We found life on Mars." Maybe it's alien microbes in Martian soil, or glowing fish in Europa's dark oceans, or even ancient alien ruins on the icy plains of Titan. Exciting, right? A moment that would define human history. Actually, it would be terrifying, because if life is common in the universe, then our future may already be written, and not in the direction we hope. Welcome to one of the most chilling ideas in science, the Great Filter. Imagine the story of life as a staircase. At the bottom, lifeless chemistry. At the top, galaxy-spanning civilizations. Every step between, a massive leap in evolution. Most life never gets past the first few, and one of those steps is so difficult, so brutal, that almost no species survives it. That step is the Great Filter. Now, we don't know where the filter is, but the answer determines everything. Scenario 1. The filter is behind us, best-case scenario. We already passed it. Maybe life itself is unbelievably rare. Despite Earth's conditions, it still took 1 billion years for life to appear. And even now, we can't recreate that process in a lab. Or maybe the real miracle was complex cells, eukaryotes. One primitive cell swallowed another, and instead of eating it, they became partners. That partnership powers every animal on Earth today, including us. And it happened once in all of Earth's history. If that's the filter, then we're not just lucky, we're exceptional. Maybe the first to ever get this far. It would explain the silence. No signals, no megastructures, no alien civilizations, because no one else made it this far. And that would mean we might actually have a shot at the stars. Scenario 2. The filter is ahead of us. Now for the terrifying possibility. If we discover that life is common, microbes on Mars, fish on Europa, that means the early steps on the staircase are easy, which means the hard part is still to come. That's the nightmare. Because then, the Great Filter lies ahead of us, and it's already wiped out every other intelligent civilization in our galaxy. Think about that. A galaxy 13 billion years old, 100 billion stars, billions of Earth-like planets. Plenty of time for intelligent life to emerge, spread, and leave a trace. But we see nothing. No Dyson spheres, no transmissions, no alien footprints in cosmic dust. Just silence. This means something out there is consistently ending civilizations, right around the level we're at now. Maybe it's nuclear war, or ecological collapse. Maybe AI becomes smarter than us, and we lose control. We're already flirting with these dangers. In 2023, world leaders warned that unregulated AI could pose extinction-level risks. Our climate is destabilizing faster than models predicted. And every year, we discover ancient viruses thawing from permafrost. We don't have to imagine sci-fi scenarios. We're already standing near the edge. The question is, how far away is the fall? And here's the part that turns this from unsettling to horrifying. If we find alien life, especially complex life, then it gets worse. Because it would confirm that those early steps are easy, which would mean the deadly step is ahead of us. And we haven't faced it yet. So ironically, the best thing we could find in the universe right now is nothing. No bacteria on Mars, no alien fish in Europa's oceans, no ruins on Titan, just a cold, empty galaxy. That would mean we're rare, maybe unique, and that the path to interstellar civilization is open if we stay careful. Because if the filter is ahead of us, it will not be kind. It won't just be hard, it will be final. The kind of challenge no one gets a second chance at. So what do we do? First, stay humble. We are powerful, but fragile. Every step forward must be taken with care. Second, take our risks seriously. Artificial intelligence, biotechnology, climate systems. These aren't just policy debates. They might be universal death traps that no species has ever survived. Third, think big. Space colonization isn't just for sci-fi. It might be our lifeline. A way to spread out, survive cosmic disasters, and carry life beyond Earth. We may be one of the universe's rarest miracles. Or we may be the next in a long line of civilizations about to vanish without a trace. But if we are the first to reach this level, the first to ask these questions, the first to understand what's truly at stake, then it's up to us to make it count. Support science, support sustainability, support space. Because what we do now won't just decide the future of humanity, it might decide whether intelligent life ever survives at all. And if this made you think differently about our place in the cosmos, consider subscribing to our channel. Start a conversation. This isn't just science fiction, it's our reality. and the clock is ticking.